You're able to see my screen, right?
Yeah, I can see your screen.
Okay. So we'll search for manage key flex field. The manage key flex field, if we click on search, you'll be able to see there are only 13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Only 13 key fields are available. Yeah. So over here, we have to notice that there are 3 options available. One is the manage structure instances, and then deploy flex fields. So to have a field, to actually update or use a key field, we have to go step by step. Like first of all, we have to we have to click on the manage structure and create the structure, and then have the instance ready, and only then we will be able to deploy the flex field. Okay, so let's go and try to update it in employment. Yeah, so manage structure over here. If we are searching, we can already see that there are few structures already available here. So along with this, we are going to create one more. So let's have it as Chase. It's going to be under employment, right? So maybe country and skills. We can have example like in which location what skill is available. Yeah, we can have it as an example. So give me a minute, I'll quickly type it. Yeah. Mm, so add country and skill as an example. Country and skill. So we can say chase skill by location. Let's see if this works. And delimiter. So do you know what is the meaning of delimiter?
No,
Any
my
idea?
like number.
No, delimiter is a separator. See,
Okay.
character or symbol used to visually separate displayed segment values.
Segment values.
Yeah. So segment is a field, right? Segment is a field from which it is going to show the code.
Mm-hmm.
That code need to be shown in some format, right? It has to be shown in some format. So what we will do is say let's have a plan. So location will have uh, code and name. Okay, so for code USA, United States of America. Okay, and then UK, United IND. Yeah, and maybe we can add one more, or yeah, we can add one more. Mm, okay, let's have it this way. And then skills Okay, under skills can have code name. Okay, so code, yeah, Oracle. So OHCM. So OHCM, human capital management, and then Java. Java we can have it as Java only. Java, and then 001. Uh, DO. So DevOps. Okay, so we are adding three different skills, and we have three locations. Okay, so the delimiter, when we choose a delimiter, like over here, if you notice that is exclamatory mark, star, plus, hyphen, a dot, colon, equal to, caret symbol, pipe, and tilt. These are values which are available. So this will be separated like this, like USA, um, pipe symbol, skill is 0 HCM. I mean, it's OHCM, right? Oracle HCM. So this is what we will receive as a result. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
these two values are delimited using one symbol.
Mm-hmm.
So that symbol needs to be selected here, which value
Okay.
we need to have for as a delimiter. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we let's select a pipe symbol, and it
Separate.
is enabled. Yeah. And over here, if you notice, the add is not available. That's because we haven't saved it yet. So once we have saved this, the segment, we can add segment.
Okay.
Yeah. So segment code, uh, let's have it as what? First as location. Chase location. See, all other things needs to be created. Sequence number, display order of segments. So one prompt, um, enter location or skill or skill. Width is 30. The range, we don't have to give a range. Segment, here we can select any value, and then default value set. Default value set, we don't have a default value set, I believe. So um, country, let's see if Chase is available. I believe it is not. We haven't created it yet, right? So quickly go in here and then create a location. So we are able to understand what is missing, and we are creating it as and when required. Location module is global human management. Yeah. Independent values, character, text, 20, save. Once saved, we have to click on manage values. And values, let's copy paste from here. USA. Okay.
Yesterday we created these, right?
Yeah, but we created it on 94.
94. That's why, yeah. So
Yes.
this has to be linked up with the key one. Key.
No, because here, like, yeah, key flex field. Yes. What you're saying is right. So we
Yeah.
have to link it over here. Value set code. Okay.
Okay.
And then I believe we have saved this as well, right? We manage values, search. So we have all these. Okay. Save and close. Save and close. And we have to create one more, right? So search, yeah, chase location is available and chase skills. This time also we'll select independent value, character, text, 20, and save, manage values. Oh, here we don't see anything, so let's create. What are the values we have? Oracle, human resource capital management. Oh, HCM. Next is Java. Next, DevOps. 001 DO. Save and close. Save and close. Search. So we have two independent characters. Save and close. And over here we have to select for chase. Yeah. So let's select location first. Save. So we have selected this. We have created one. Save and close. And then let's create the other one as well. Two, or yeah, enter skill set. Skills. Enter skill will do. With this 30 column segment. We have already provided as one, so we are selecting column segment as two here. Let's see what happens. Chase skills, save and close. So you are able to follow, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Save and close. So we have created one more, and it is called as Chase Skill Location. This is also available. Give it as done. Where is it? Uh, yeah, it's over here. So manage structure instances.
So first we did the manage structures, right?
Yes, we did the
The
manage
there
structure.
there we linked up with the value sets.
Yes,
Then again now it's the
instances. Yes,
instances.
yes. So we can see what it is. So if we have any queries, no, we can click on this. Like as I mentioned before, the help will be
Okay.
useful.
Okay.
Yeah, if we click on help, it will be useful, and we can see how to create and overview of key flex fields. All these details will be available. See what are the how it has been created. All those things are available here. Yeah. So yeah, let's finish this. So so we have to create segment here. Is location. So here we are selecting the structure name. So we have created the structure, right? So that structure we are selecting it here. So if you notice, as soon as we select it, the segments has been added here.
Mm-hmm.
So now we can go in, like we can just click on uh, like edit and make this mandatory or non-mandatory based on our requirement. And say this is required only for certain countries, and for certain countries it is not required. This these like key flex fields. In that case, we can use this like instances, creating a creating like a how to put this in, like um, it's a copy of the functionality. Okay, if we say instances, instance is a copy of the functionality. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so we have created a function where we have said there are two values. One is going to be the location, and another one is going to be a skill.
Mm-hmm.
So we have created it and we have saved it in the system. But to use it, we can have a copy, or we can have, yeah, we are just mirroring it over
Mm-hmm.
here and saying that boss, use these over here in this
Mm-hmm.
place. So say if this is used only for UK, then we can say UK chase skill location. Okay, something like this, and this can be used only for UK. Uh, so or for specific country. Okay, so this is how we will create it. So yeah, this is done. Let's save this. So it's been saved. Save and close. So we already have chase skill location done. And then let's deploy it. We have to select. Okay, we have selected the required like option. Like we have selected the key field. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully there are no errors. Yeah, it's completed. Then it's been deployed. Cool. So let's go to add a new employee. Maybe it will be available here, right? The navigator, my client group, new person. Hmm. Why is it still loading? Okay, not sure what is happening. So let's use the other one. It's not responding. So let's give some values here. Hmm. We have an option to select this particular value. Once again, give me a second. My puppy has gone down. So give me one quick minute. I'll just
Yeah, okay.
get up. Yeah. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
Some random value. I'm sure. Yeah. Hmm.
Any zip code, right? And
Yes.
four three
Yes.
43021.
430821. Yeah.
No, 43021, not 8. Yeah.
Okay. Phone, email. Just let you. I'm sorry. So, okay, I think I missed it. So yeah, it will not be shown here because yeah, missed it. We will have to set it up at two levels. We can set it up. Like we have to tell the system that this the values that we have created, right? That we have created should be assigned at any two levels. Like hmm, let me open the sheet. So, maybe we can select. Yeah. Yeah. So we can set it up at company level, otherwise at legal entity level. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If we are setting it up on the country level or enterprise level, which means we are telling the system that sorry. So we are telling the system that this particular a key field is used across all the entities, and if we are setting it up at the legal entity level, which means we are telling the system that this particular key field should be used only in certain countries, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because for each places, or not countries, I would say, because in India itself we can have it in Bangalore as well as like the legal entity can be in Bangalore as well as in Chennai. So particular location, for particular location, this particular key field is required. So let's go and manage uh, manage HCM. Establish enterprise. Let's manage enterprise HCM information. Yeah. So when we click on manage enterprise HCM information, this brings the topmost or the one which has been loaded, right? So
Mm-hmm.
let's say correct. And over here we have an option. Context. I believe I'm missing something. Position, same position hierarchy. It's fine.
So all these are related, right? Like the descriptive and then the extensible, then the key. Like
No,
everything
extensive.
is
Not everything. Like not everything, because if you notice, other things we are able to use it directly, right? We are able to use it directly in the uh, task,
mm-hmm.
correct? When we are creating these values, so when we tried to create these values, right, we
Yeah.
were able to assign it directly to the system. We didn't do any I mean any steps like this, like for I mean the step that we are currently performing for key field,
Mm-hmm.
we haven't done it for any other like type,
Mm-hmm.
descriptive or extensive. So extensible. So for both these types we did not do such like configuration. Okay, so this is little bit different. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
this is a bit different. It's not complex, but thing is we have to make sure that it's been assigned or aligned properly. So that is one place where we have to configure, like we will have to select that this needs to be updated, like or used. Using some context, location, classification. Working number. Okay, I will confirm that. I'll confirm that and let you know. So I'm missing something. So share, transaction, global hierarchy, all these things are set. Uh, okay, let's look at this in the this level. What is that? Legislative level, legal entity, right? Legal entity level.
Mm-hmm.
check employment. Right instance. Over here. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah, over here. See, over here RTL KFF instance, right?
Mm-hmm.
Likewise, we can have chase skills. Enterprise information, we can have chase skills.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the place. So enterprise information under which we will have uh, people group flex field structure.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So here we can set it up like what needs to be created and what needs to be selected and so on. So this is one place where we will set it up, and maybe we can save it now so that it will be easier for us to perform a test. Yeah. So we'll review. Only change that we have made is this one. Uh, yes, submitting it. So once this is completed, like once this has been set up, and if we go and create an employee, new person, hire an employee. I believe we should have it somewhere. It should be available in the next page, I think. Let's see. Mm, so, we don't have any other fields. Next, back. Yeah, can you help me with the zip code? It's 20. Can you help me with the zip code, please? Hello, Ipsita? Hello,
43021.
43021. Okay.
Yeah, 43021.
Okay.
Yeah. You can't hear. I can hear you.
Okay. Looks like there is a delay.
Yeah.
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 So there are
This
all
is
details
little
here.
complicated. I don't know. Is it complicated? It's just.
No, no, it's not complicated. As we are doing it for the first time, it might look different. Yeah, it's not complicated at all. So what we are doing is we are just creating the yeah, I'll quickly go through. You're able to hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, okay. So in total there are only 13 key flex fields available. So we are using this task. The task name is manage key flex fields. So once we are in, we are selecting the required flex field. Yeah. So it comes under the employment. See employment. So over here,
Mm-hmm.
what we are doing is we are adding new segments, right? Segments are available. So we are just adding new segments, and there are three things that we need to do. One is manage structure. First is the manage structure, where we will be creating all these values, and then we are creating a instances. In the instances, we are not doing anything at all. We are just providing a name, right? We're just providing a name
Mm-hmm.
and calling the structure which we created in manage structure in the instances. And then once that is completed, we are deploying it. That's all. So step
Mm-hmm.
one is complete. And what we are doing next is we are assigning it. So we are assigning the key flex field, like, yeah, let's have it as flex field at enterprise level
And the entity level.
or exactly legal entity level.
Yeah, I understand. I understood this one. Enterprise level and legal entity level, I understood that. But like,
Hmm.
how is it related? I'm not getting it. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, you said that there are 13 key fields and we are selecting only two of them.
Yeah,
So
we are
the
using
rest are
only two of
needed,
them.
right? Or no, it's not needed.
Not like this. See, uh, each item is used for each module. So the see general ledger is usually used by the finance team,
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
correct? Asset, yeah, asset management team. There will be separate asset management teams, right?
Mm-hmm.
So each there will be different teams who will be using different key flex fields under which
Okay.
they can add required values. So for us as a HCM
HCM,
consultant,
yeah,
exactly, we will be using
global pair.
mostly global human resource. Yeah,
Oh,
global payroll or and global human resource. That's why
oh.
these two was put in green.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and it's not complex at all, because it is step by step. Like once we have gone into this particular like task, we are
Mm-hmm.
building it, like we are creating it, and then we are using an instance of this map managed structure, and we are deploying it. That's all. And once we have deployed it, we have to assign it. Only additional step that we are doing here is we are assigning it separately at a enterprise level or at a legal entity level.
Mm-hmm.
Why we are doing this is, if at all, if we want to have it in the global level, visible at
Mm-hmm.
global level, and if we want to have this visible at say country or specific area level. Okay, visible at, okay. For
Mm-hmm.
that, for to achieve this visibility, like visibility, global visibility, or for a specific area, we are using the enterprise or legal entity accordingly. Okay, have I cleared your doubt?
Yeah, yeah, I got something. Yeah. Now
Okay,
I understood a few things. Yeah.
okay, okay, perfect. So it says it will be available under employment, right? It will be available under employment. Let's see if the fields are available. So to see our fields, yeah, here, over here, see, I believe this is the group, I believe. Yes. So the values, uh, okay, the values that we have added there is under, like, second, show you this. So it says that if you see in which module this global human resource flex fields, the flex fields that we create will be saved. So in which module it is saved under employment, right?
Mm-hmm.
So when we are hiring, we are able to see employment like a page, right? Employment in the wizard, like in the wizard, we are giving basic information for this employee, personal information, and then we'll be entering the employment information. In the employment information, we can see that there is something called people group. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and there is something that we can do here. Highlight flex fields. If we click on highlight flex fields, yeah, all the flex fields will be highlighted. If you see here, all the flex fields will be highlighted. These are
Yeah.
so the ones which are in bold are flex fields.
Yeah.
So only these fields are provided by Oracle. These things were created by or used through flex fields.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So here also we can see that these are created through flex fields. Okay, cool. So let's select our
So you
people
said
groups.
that flex fields. So these are just these are not a copy of the functionality, right? The instances are the copy of the functionality.
Yes, yes. Instances are the copy of the functionality, which can be used anywhere. So it's been
So
so over here, people group, right? People group is
so
something which we
all in the left hand sides are from Oracle, and these are the ones which we can add on.
yes, yes. These were added as part through flex fields.
Oh, okay.
So this is a descriptive flex field. Okay.
Descriptive, yeah.
Yeah, the descriptive flex field and key flex
Key.
fields. So these are key flex fields. Once again, this is descriptive
Okay.
flex field. Yeah. So
Okay.
all these flex fields are shown in different like sections. These
Oh,
are not created by us.
as you said, yeah, it depends upon the company to company, right? How they are going to use it.
Yeah, exactly, exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
yeah.
Mm,
Like,
okay. There may be few flex fields which are already created in Oracle and used here. Okay,
mm-hmm,
these are like the ones which are available at the left side, right? These are
mm-hmm.
definitely required, like full-time, part-time, regular, temporary, are definitely required. So these have been added in the standard fields. Okay, under the standard fields, and there are some fields which are required, but not by all the like companies or country level companies. So all those are uh, like saved in the one flex field, descriptive flex field or extensible flex field. Extensible flex field, we will be able to like find it under this, right? Because it needs one column or two column and multiple rows. If required, we can add multiple rows or single row can be added. But those will be available only here at the bottom, extensible. Only
Mm-hmm.
the descriptive flex fields will be available here because they are directly saved into the table. Yeah, employment means so over here job, which means under the job itself, in the job details itself, these values will be descriptive flex fields will be saved. And our case key flex field, it looks like it is also saved in the same table. Yeah, it is also saved in the same table. Otherwise, it would have been shown separately. Okay. So over here, we have selected two values, right?
Mm-hmm.
One is the location and another one is skill. See? So, uh, USA. So when we selected USA, it is showing only USA. It's not showing United States of America.
Mm-hmm.
The same way, Oracle shows this way. And if we click on OK, let's see what it shows. See? So it just shows code, I mean, location, delimiter, and code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so by looking at this, we will know that okay, this is Oracle HCM in USA.
Yeah. Yeah, got
Okay,
it.
yeah. So for this purpose only, the key flex field is used,
Mm.
and this can be used for security purpose also. So like in few of the security roles. Where we can like when we looked at the security, right, user and roles, data role, we created data role, right? In data role we did not create it using, excuse me, we did not create it using scripts, SQL scripts.
Mm-hmm.
So however it is possible to create using SQL scripts as well, in the sense, in the SQL scripts we can provide the condition. So if we want to include only those employees who have this people group as USA OHCM, then we can have it like this. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this can be used in used to filter the employees
Mm-hmm.
at the role level also. Okay, so for all this purpose, the key flex field is used, and this is just an example that we have provided. This is not a actual way of creating it, in the sense we have seen how it can be created, but the requirement may be different. Okay, skills and locations are something that we are sharing here because it will be easier for us to understand. Okay, so in real time, not sure what are the other scenarios will be used. This may be like location and I don't know what else we can think of. Mm, maybe
Okay.
we can review in the online. We can review what are the other options or what are the other scenarios that can be used. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
so we can think of all those values. Cool. So yeah, by that we are completing the flex fields itself. All the three topics in the flex fields are completed. So
Mm-hmm.
I believe we have seen mass updates also, right? We have completed mass updates,
Yeah.
and security profile we have completed. Um and then so so we have seen lookups, document of records, all those things we have completed. And so the remaining is BI reports. Okay, and
Mm-hmm.
BI reports we will not look into it in in depth, but we will see how it is created. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
we will see basic of BI reports. Okay, we will see basic of BI reports because if it is moving, I mean, if it is going to be more technical, then it's going to be harder for us. So better we will see the basic of BI reports, and then we will try to execute payroll for an employee.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, because we haven't done that, so we will try to execute a payroll and create or generate a payslip. Okay, we
Mm-hmm.
will try to generate a payslip for an employee. Once that is completed, our basic like our HCM course is completed. Okay,
Oh,
the
okay.
course itself is completed. So there are only two more topics to complete cover. One is the BI reports, and another one is payroll execution. So payroll execution is something. Yeah, only these two. And once these two are completed, so as we planned before, what we can do is we can complete the project one and project two. Or what we can do one project thoroughly.
Mm-hmm.
And I can help you with this with the project one, and project two you have to do it by yourself, and I can review it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that you will have a hold of the product and how to navigate and all those stuff. So to complete all these, I believe it should not take more than a week. So by this month end, right, end of this month, we should be able to complete all the things. So the course will be completed by this end month end.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, then I hope you understood the flex fields and stuff, right? So
Mm-hmm.
good. Mm, okay, meet you in the next session tomorrow. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
These are also there in 23 B 23C, right? The flex field.
Yes, yes, it is. It is available. It is available. Everything will be available here. See, it's 23C extensible configuration, right? Key flex fields. So over here itself, you can see that there is descriptive flex field, value sets. Thing is, whatever I am training you now on is available. It's already available in the online and
In
under
this
these books.
C, sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, everything is available. Only thing is, if we don't practice and if we simply learn this or read this, we will not be able to understand, because
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
they have provided quite a lot of stuff. So once we have completed it, now when you read it, no, it will be easier for you.
Mm.
So you will be able to relate it. oh, this
Yeah.
is how it has been done and all those stuff. So it will be easier for you to like read it. Yeah,
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah.
Cool, cool.
Yeah.
And if you notice, we would not have completed everything. Okay, only the basics or the first step we would have completed. So other
Mm,
things, it is your responsibility to go in and look for more options. Because if we try to cover 100 percentage of all the topics, it is going to take at least 1 year to complete. Yeah,
mhm,
because it's huge. It's huge. If you notice here, this alone will have like a not sure if we will be able to. Yeah, we are able to download it as PDF, right?
mhm,
So if I'm downloading it as PDF, see 294 pages. In 294 pages, we can remove say 100 pages also. If we are removing 100 pages also, it's going to be 194. It is almost 200 pages for each topic. This is
mhm.
one particular topic, right? If you notice here, it's just one particular topic. Mm, themes, flex fields. See, flex fields. It's simple things are provided, like a home page and navigations are provided, but under the flex fields, as this is related to flex fields and extensive application, uh, only these items are provided.
Mhm.
So it is difficult to cover everything, like 100 percentage of the topics in a training session. It is your responsibility to go in and look for more options and crack all the like available options in the system. Okay, you have the you now you have the like console, right? We have this console, right?
Yeah.
Application is available. So whenever you have time, that's what I was saying from the class one. Like we
Mhm,
like I did not personally get such like instances when we were performing, when we were learning this. So you have got this, so make use of it. Go in, do whatever you can do. Yeah,
mhm,
and if you're stuck somewhere, let me know. I won't say that I can give you a ready-made answer, like I won't I can give you ready-made answer, but I have the capability to look for it and provide you an answer. Yeah,
mhm.
yeah, so I
Yeah.
will help you like that. Yeah, you can go in, research and check how it works, why it is used and all those things. And if you're stuck somewhere, let me know. Send me questions, I will provide you answers with the examples and stuff. Yeah, I'll make sure that you understand the application as well, I mean as good as possible.
Mhm. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Okay, thank you, Ipsita. So do you have any other questions?
No, 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 nothing. I just have to read and yeah, yeah. I'm not doing my part. Yeah, I have to go read.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay. Perfect. Yeah. Okay then. Okay then. Meet you tomorrow, and we can complete BI reports, and then we'll try to complete one payroll for an employee. That might take one full day, I believe, running a payroll, because we might be facing few issues. Like to run a payroll, all the data should be perfectly aligned or perfectly set up for an employee. Or what we can do is we can set up, I mean, we can use an existing user and run a payroll and see how payslips are produced. Yeah. Okay, then have a great day. Meet you tomorrow. Hello.